Hi guys. So guys, in Canada, people, how do people get rid of heavy items like furniture, electronics, etc. Even like other items too. What they do, they put those items on the curbside where somebody who actually needs them is gonna pick them up. Like in this photo, you see a television. Even I have put like items like this. So what people do, they put it on the curbside, and whoever needs them is gonna pick them up. So a lot of items you can get for free, and it's not just limited to electronics. I have seen people putting even toys, utensils, and other things too. So you can get such items for free like this, but that's your choice if you really want to get through that. It helps in two ways. First of all, you get rid of the items that you don't want, and second, somebody else who really needs them is gonna get those items too. So this is a way here in Canada. So let me know guys what you feel about it.